Turning the pages. Understanding page through. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common but sometimes confusing English phrase, page through. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your fluency, understanding phrases like this is key to sounding natural in English. Page through refers to the action of turning pages in a book, magazine, or any set of papers, usually in a casual or non-thorough manner. It's like skimming through pages rather than reading every word. Imagine flipping through a magazine in a waiting room. That's paging through. In this section, we'll see how page through is used in sentences. It's often used when someone is looking for something specific or just getting a general idea of the content. For example, I paged through the cookbook to find a dessert recipe. She was paging through the magazine, looking for the fashion section. A common mistake is confusing page through with read. Remember, paging through implies a less focused, more casual approach. You wouldn't say you paged through a novel if you read every detail. There are other phrases with similar meanings. Flip through, similar to page through, but can imply even quicker browsing. Skim through, reading quickly to get the main points, not in detail. I hope this video helps you understand and use page through confidently in your conversations and readings. Keep practicing, and you'll soon master the nuances of English phrases. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.